Hello there. In this video, I'll show you how to replace the side indicator bulb in a Vauxhall Corsa D, which is a quick, easy job. Now, this process varies just a little, depending whether you're working down here, on the right side of the car, or down there on the left. Let's start on the left. Step one is to push the lens in this direction, which is towards the front of the car, and doing that compresses a plastic clip which is behind there, and compressing that plastic clip enables us to remove the lens from the wing. Okay, so slide it towards the front of the car, like so, and then pull the lens out of the wing, and there is the plastic clip that was being compressed. We now need to detach this lens from the white bulb socket behind, and that's easy enough. Just grab the bulb socket and then twist the lens anti-clockwise and pull. Off it comes, and now we can see the bulb, which is easy enough to remove as well. That just pulls out too, like so. We now need to source the correct type of new bulb, which is one that looks like this, specifically model number W5W. Now, bulbs like this are cheap and readily available. I tend to get mine on eBay in packs of 10, which is typically more cost effective than repeatedly buying one or two at a time as they're needed. Now the new bulb just slides into place, like so. And now of course we need to reinstall the lens, but before doing that, just take a moment to make sure the black rubber O-ring is nicely positioned, because if it isn't, water is going to get into here and cause all kinds of issues. That O-ring looks fine. So on goes the lens, and we can see if we peer down there, there are two cutouts. Can you see those? Well, those cutouts line up with these lugs on the bulb socket, just like so, and then twist clockwise until it's nice and snug, just like that. Next, we need to make sure the lens is the right way up, which means this wider section here goes at the top, and now simply slide the lens back into the wing, like so. Right, let's test it. Now, we've been working on the left side of the car so far, but if instead you want to change the side indicator bulb over here on the right, there's a slight difference to bear in mind. Specifically, rather than slide the indicator forwards towards the front of the car to remove it, you slide it backwards instead. So there you go, that's how to replace the side indicator bulb in a Vauxhall Corsa D. Now, before you go, don't forget to subscribe to CarSpyTV. That makes it easier to find my other content. Can you also please do me a favour and click like on this video, and I will see you next time. Farewell.